Once you see my daily commute, as featured throughout this clip, I think you will appreciate and understand why I have ended up where I have. If you want to get anywhere in the industry I work in, you have to be in the big cities. I did work in the city several years ago, however the hustle and bustle of the rat race and working myself into the ground to line the pockets of my employer got tiresome. I left the city and moved to a firm in the country where the money and the opportunities were less. This wasn't such a bad thing because my stress levels went through the floor, my blood pressure reduced, and I got more time to do what I wanted. Many of my former work colleagues think that I am mad to give up the so-called high life of the city to live in the sticks, but I have to say I disagree. This is my morning commute, a 12-minute door-to-door drive on quiet, relatively traffic-free roads in the countryside. On those bright sunny days, the early morning drive makes me feel alive, and I have no regrets leaving the city whatsoever. Even on the dull and drizzly days, the dark winter nights and frosty winter mornings, I still have a smile on my face on the way into work. No longer do I have to stare at miserable white-collar workers. No longer do I have to listen to the yuppies yelling down their phones. No longer do I have to sit among people furiously tapping away on their laptops. I don't have to do battle to get a seat on the train. I don't have to queue at bus stops. And I don't have to breathe in the dirty city air. I am fortunate to experience this drive every day, and whilst some may say I've committed career suicide, I wouldn't change a thing.